So, even the framers of Constitution, they were of firm belief that neutrality when conducting business cannot be compromised at any cost. And that has, can be seen and reflected in the part 5 of the 10th sheet, that any member who occupies the chair of the speaker can voluntarily give up his membership from the party and shall not be subjected to disqualification. This is an indicator of the fact that for fairness and impartiality to all the members in this house, the speaker is allowed to keep his true neutral position inside the house. So we know when we look at the numbers and the strength of the ruling party, we don't stand a chance to compete with them on any issue. However, the interest of the state and its people cannot be determined by the numbers alone. It depends on the debate and deliberation in this house. Therefore, I hope that as an impartial speaker, you will facilitate